How can I grow my business with Marketing Boost? Such a common question, and I'm going to unpack that for you in this video. Hi, I'm Greg Kasser and I'm the Marketing Director here at Marketing Boost. So let's get stuck straight into it. You can use marketing incentives such as complimentary vacations, and we have multiple different types, but you can use them to grow your sales, grow your number of customers, increase average order value, increase your profit. Really, it's only limited by your imagination. As we go through this over this couple of minutes, I think you'll really see that. If you think about it, say you and I are competing for the same business. We've got a very similar service, and I'm just offering a great service at a great price. You're offering a great service at a great price, but you're also going to give them a free vacation. Who are they going to choose? They're going to choose you every time. So this really does give you an unfair advantage. It's very cool. Let's now look at 7 ways that you can grow your business using vacation incentives. There's actually a lot more than this, but I'm just trying to make it really simple and really to give you ideas, and you can start to plug these in for your business. Number 1, buy a big ticket product, or it can be a service, and get a free vacation. Okay, so notice I said big ticket because it has to be believable. It can't be like buy my $30 product and get a free vacation. You know what I mean? It doesn't have that believability in the mind of the consumer. But say it was a $500 product, $1,000, $2,000, buy a car, you know, that kind of thing. Buy a big ticket item and get a free vacation. Just works amazing. Okay, number 2, we saw this in really well done in the mortgage industry, like switch to us and get a free vacation. So switch your business over to us and get a free vacation. That way you're not having to always go out for who's the new prospects in the business. You can look at, hey, who's already got our customers, and let's try and target them to come across. And this works incredible. Number 3, go in the draw. I use this in the e-commerce space where I'm selling small ticket items like $20, $30, $50. I say, go in the draw, and X, say it might be 10 lucky customers this month or 5 lucky customers this month are going to win a complimentary vacation. And then we can do it either like you can say a location such as, hey, an Hawaii location, or you might be able to let them choose from over 50 destinations to choose from, you know, that kind of thing. It's no real right way or wrong way. You just got to figure it out for yourself, what works best for you and for your market. Number 4, I love this, with urgency. So get started with us before the end of the month and we'll give you a complimentary vacation. So that is great when, say you're selling a big ticket item and they're thinking about it, they're not sure whether to go with you or not. You can really drive that deadline. I saw a gentleman in the gym space use this really well. People were just coming along and signing up for his free trial, and they were doing the month by month. And he said he switched it up and he got higher average order value by saying, sign up with us on a 6-month program before the end of the month and we'll give you 7 nights in Thailand. And just went, you know, like shot through the roof. So amazing. In that case, he got the urgency and he also got a higher increased order value, which is just another really smart way to use it. Okay, number 5, reward your team. So you're actually allowed to give people up to one vacation a year. So if you've got some star performers, you can reward them with a vacation. So build it into their package. You know, if they hit certain goals, they get a complimentary vacation. Just really like happy team is going to make for a more productive team. They're going to be raving about it. You'll attract more talent. It's just such a smart way to go. I really love that one, and we're doing that ourselves. Number 6, strategic partnerships. So this is like partner with us. Say there's a certain business you really want to work with, partner with us and we'll organize it for you, a free vacation. I'm doing that with a content play that I'm working on. I need some premium content producers to give me content, and I'm doing that as far as, okay, I know your content's of high value, but we're going to give you this benefit, and if you sign up with us, as a partnership, we're also going to give you a complimentary vacation. And it's really getting them excited about it, whereas before they may have and ahed about it. And you can also add that scarcity and urgency in. So sign up before the end of the month and we'll do this. Or sign up this week and we'll give you that vacation, that kind of thing. So just really cool. And one that's really like not obvious initially, but everyone's kind of competing on price. And if you're competing on price, what actually is happening as you're dropping your price all the time, your profit's going down. So the great thing about this is you can drive more profit. You don't have to slash your prices all the time. You can drive more profit, and if you're more profitable, you can just basically do more business. So it's just a great way to go, because even if you're not the lowest in price, but if you're offering them a complimentary vacation, then they're more likely to choose you anyway. So effectively, like, if you look at this, this skill set and this tool set, I should say, really has never been on the market before. This is brand new. You're going to be an early adopter here, and it allows you to be the dominant player in your market. I think if you're a good marketer or if you're a great marketer, this really is like throwing fuel on the fire. And if you're a beginning marketer, it's going to give you an edge that you wouldn't have had before. So it really, really is incredible what you can do with this. We've now got, previously we only had 12 locations. We've now got over 50 locations, and we're moving towards, we're gonna have 200, that's our goal. And these really are all over the world. I found the way to use it is use locations that are kind of close to you, that are not too big a travel objection for people. So that's the way to do it. So check out all the different locations that we have. But what I would recommend, say for example, you're gonna be offering a Hawaii one, or you're gonna be offering a Paris one. Go on that trip, and check it out for yourself. That way you know it's legit. So go on, you can give yourself one complimentary vacation a year, go on the trip, and then when you come back and you're talking to your customers, you can speak from first-hand experience that you did that and what you loved about it and things to see, things to do, and also they know it's legit as well. So next steps, if you haven't already done so, check out the free trial. Try it free for 7 days. During that 7 days, you can also give yourself a complimentary vacation. Check it out, and really you're only limited by your imagination. So plug it in and scale your business. We look forward to working with you.